Looking for a natural face moisturizer that keeps your skin soft, fresh and glowing? This homemade face moisturizer deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin, making it perfect for daily use. Ingredients: a handful of rose petals hydrates, refresh and adds a natural glow. Half cup of rice water brightens tone and nourishes skin. 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel smooths, cools and deeply moisturizes. 1 vitamin E capsule softens, protects and keeps skin healthy. Boil rose petals in a rice water for about 5 minutes to extra nourishment and enhance skin benefits. Strain the water and let it cool completely. Add aloe vera gel and squeeze in a vitamin E capsule. Mix well until smooth and creamy. Store it in a clean container. Apply daily to keep skin hydrated, soft and natural glowing. This moisturizer deeply nourishes and brightens, giving you a fresh, radiant look. Try it and share your results. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more such videos.